Hey guys, ready for school. Look how nice it is, it's a lovely day out. The sun is shining, lol, jokes. Yeah, lots of my friends do. Hey guys, so almost 8 hours, it's been a dreadful day. And you know, because I'm losing weight at the moment, guys, I've ordered vegetable soup for myself. And enough for me not a snack. It isn't a drink, it is ice. And everyone can see that, but if I do that, okay, we find it's dripping because it's like really, you know. But yeah, it's sweetened. There we can see it's ice. It is sweetened. So yeah, oh really, it's nice. Whew. We're just waiting for Tesco now because we got my food. We got my soup. I'm eating vegetable soup for this week. Next week I'll be having beans on toast. And then next week I'll be having one and beans. So yeah, happy that guys. Woohoo! Hey guys, bit dark guys. It's getting late out. Now it looks blue outside, possibly not. Day 1 of my soup diet, as you can tell. It looks disgusting at the moment, and I got my piece of bread, but there, got my phone, got my YouTube videos, got my books. Hey guys, so that has been my day on a normal Monday. As I said, I got my English. I did have my English language exam. It went well. My story, right? I don't even know what I did my story about, to be honest. Okay, so there's 2 girls. This one girl fancied the other girl. The other girl found that out and then took advantage of her. She had a party, so the other girl said to the other girl, who fancied her, to go steal a drink. So she did, and she got caught. So that's basically my whole story about her. Nice, isn't it? If you guys can't do the music in the background, it's Brian and Chrissy, Take Me to Heaven. It's my new song out from my debut album, Faces and Fears. Fears and something. I can't remember. It's very good. They're a lesbian couple. We're married? No, we're not married, but yeah, so yeah, I have nothing really update on my grandpa. He's not doing so well. He's still really ill. He's still not sleeping. He's still going upstairs, still can't eat, still can't breathe. I don't know what's wrong with him. You know, this week my sister's taking me to school. My mother isn't taking me to school. We've argued. So yeah. So my sister's taking me to school. My nan haven't driven in 2 years, but now she is because my grandpa's ill, obviously. So she's picking me up from school. I really wish I could just walk home. My nan will let me, because it's like 10-minute car ride, but you know. So yeah, that has been my day today. As you saw, Emily and Caris ended when they get her hair wet, so she hid in the Caris's jacket, basically. So yeah, I was gonna touch down on this on the subject, but I don't think I'll share that with you just yet. I'll see how things go, maybe, I'm not sure. But anyway, I will see you guys tomorrow as always, and yeah, okay, bye guys.